if you don't know what a body lift is, it's one of the first things a lot of people do to their Jeeps when they lift them to get a bigger tire underneath or to get a little bit more room for articulation of their suspension. So basically what we do is we take this factory puck that is here on the frame and leave the factory puck and remove this. Now this has a homemade body lift on it, and that's one of the reasons why we're replacing it. This is aluminum. It's not really 1.25 inches, which is what we want to do. This is a JKS designed and built body lift. It's a urethane puck, so it actually does give a little bit of flex, so it improves the ride quality a little bit, whereas this is solid. This is like rock on rock or metal on metal, so not very smooth. So what we'll do is we'll loosen all these up, and then we will jack the body up slightly. We will slip these in, and it will move the body up just a little bit. And like I said, it gives you a little bit more room for a bigger tire, gives you a little bit more room when you're out on the trails to stuff that tire up into the wheel well. Doesn't change your height down here. The axles are still in the same place, all of that. So it doesn't really help your ground clearance, but it does bring the body up a little bit. So it's a real easy process. Basically what we're gonna do is we're going to loosen up all the body mounts. We'll start on one side. We'll jack the body up slightly. We'll pull the homemade body lift out. We'll put these in, drop it back down, do the other side. And basically, that's all you have to do a body lift. It's very quick, very easy, something you can do right in your driveway. So we've got 10 of the 11 body mount bolts loosened up. We've got one that's stuck. It's a little rusty. So Dane's gonna manhandle that with the breaker bar here. Once we've got everything loosened up, then we'll choose one side, pick that side up just a little bit, start sliding the pucks in for the body lift. So what Dane is doing here is he is replacing that, the hardware that was there. He's replacing it with a brand new bolt, if he can find the hole here.
Trying.
Finding. And we're just gonna hand tighten it just a little bit. This is the factory, if you pull these apart, this is the factory mount right here. This is the JKS, the body lift that just literally just sits on top of it. All right, we finished up the body lift. This is Dane. This is his Jeep that we've been working on. You can tell by his look here. He did most of the work, which is awesome. And you're 15, right?
Yes, I am.
So very soon you'll be able to drive this on your own, take it wheeling, do all of that. What was it like working on your own Jeep?
Awesome. I enjoy it.
Yeah, there you go. See, perfect. Now the body lift is done on here. Very easy to do. I mean, literally took maybe an hour to do it. If you've got some rusted up bolts like we did, might take you a couple minutes longer, but very easy to do. You can do it right in your driveway.